Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to connect your ClickFunnels opt-in form to an ActiveCampaign form, allowing you to automate your lead capture and follow-up process. So let's jump right in. We'll be using Zapier to connect the two platforms. First, log into Zapier and create a new Zap. For the Trigger app, we are going to select ClickFunnels. There we go. Then we're going to choose New Contact as our trigger event. This will ensure that every time someone fills out your ClickFunnels opt-in form, it will kick off an automation. Remember to sign into your ClickFunnels Classic account, and then you can go ahead and configure and map the data, and then you can test it out to see if everything is working properly. Next, let's set ActiveCampaign as the action app. And there we go, ActiveCampaign. Then we go and choose our action event. And let's see, we're going to use subscribe. So subscribe or unsubscribe contact from list. All right. And then you want to go and don't forget to sign in as well to your ActiveCampaign account. And then you want to go to configure and map the form fields like list ID, contact ID, email address directly to your ActiveCampaign form. Now, every time someone opts in through ClickFunnels, their information will be automatically added to your ActiveCampaign list, where you can nurture them with automated emails. When you're done here, then you can go ahead and test this out. And if everything is working properly, then you can go ahead and turn your Zap on. All right, so this integration is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their lead capture process and ensure no contact slips through the cracks. So if you're new to ActiveCampaign, check out the free trial in the description and start automating your opt-in forms today.